Reindeer are better than people. Sven, don't you think that's true? Hey boy, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how we made this snowman. Keep watching. It is Christmas time again, and if you've been watching my channel, you might have seen that last year I made this 1.5 meters long Nutcracker post box. I posted it here about 1 year ago, and we are done. Thank you ever so much, tusen tack from both of us for watching all the way till the end. And if you do plan on making a massive Nutcracker, then I hope that this tutorial helped you somewhat. And if you have any questions, do pop them in the comment section below. And now this year I've made, instead of a Nutcracker, I made a snowman. So this is gonna be at the school Christmas fair, and the kids can put their letters inside this box over here, and then afterwards the teacher can open it up from the back, take out the letters, and they can read them together. If you're new here, my name is Charlotta. Welcome to my channel. I hope you join me, subscribe to the channel if this is something that you like. So this snowman is made out of recycled materials. The hat is made out of cardboard and paper mache. I have a video about how to make a hat as well. I will link it down below. So let's take some of this beautiful black paint and spread it all over your hat. So now I'm gonna let this hat dry for a bit. And then you can see it's 3 boxes, 1 big, medium, and 1 small for the head. And I covered it in something called designer film. So it's like sticky, it's like a sticker, but it's a whole roll. So you just roll it around and you don't need to use any glue for that. And then we decorated it with a few different things. The snowman has been drying overnight, and now it's time to wrap it up, and then my client will send her driver over, and then we'll deliver it and run an art class for them while we are there. Which one do you prefer? The snowman, A, the snowman from this year, or B, the Nutcracker from last year? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Do hit the subscribe and join us, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye, ha det bra! Sofia, säg hej då! Hej då! Hej då! Hej då! Oj! Var är Sofia? Var är Sofia? And if you actually make a massive statue like this guy, I would love to see how it turned out. So do send me a picture on Instagram as well. It's at Charlotta_Sophia_art. I'm borrowing my daughter's antlers. She's having a nap right now. Alright, we can edit that part out because she was having a nap. Now she is here with us. Do you want your antlers back? So, Sophia and I, before she went down for a nap, we were reading this Frozen book about Olaf. Have you guys seen Frozen? Because we've been working on this snowman, we were reading a book about Olaf and the baby snowman as well. De små snögubbarna in Swedish. Sophia, what do you think about my snowman? Yeah, that's about it. Let's check if this hat actually works.